So for me, prototyping is an important step when there's a lot of risk in the project, right? If there's a lot of unknowns and you don't necessarily know how to solve the problem or how to interface with some new hardware or system, often a prototype is going to help you learn about that and help you, understand if the project is even feasible in some instances.
A lot of startup companies and new companies, they want to get the whole system together and showcase that to their customers and talk about the ideas and start to talk about features that maybe are good and realize which ones are bad so that they can go on to the next steps. And it's just minimizing the risk.
I think it's a phase between proof of concept and mass production device, because once you have tested all the functionalities with lots of elevation boards and you have a bunch of hill of the various boards, interconnects, and the prototype should be the step when you design your own board and apply all these functionalities into one board and verifying it that it is according to specification.
So for my customers, prototyping is essential. Many of them deal with RF, and RF is a bit a kind of strange matter. I always say the antenna is the point where the digital theory meets the analog reality. And you do have to do prototypes to see if the RF part works smoothly or if you run into problems there.
I think it's a dose of reality in my experience. Prototyping stage is, you asked what the word means to me. Pain comes to mind as my first reaction. It's the place where we've got a lot of great ideas, and it's the show me phase of, well, does your idea actually have any basis in reality? Can we make it happen, even if it's this large sort of Frankenstein system sitting on a bench with ad hoc software? But it's I mean, I say pain. It's also exciting. It's really fun to get things working in the first stages, but yeah, it really is the dose of reality of does your idea have any legs to it?
I would say from the more senior engineers like me, prototyping used to mean you do a lot of things that work correctly, then you prototype the ones that you don't know.